Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Thursday 2nd of March with me, Rich Power Market Analyst at Antec Markets, looking at cable now. And we certainly see, I think, this cable chart now having broken down. This consolidation that we've sort of been generating throughout February, where the market had been sort of trading between sort of 2345, which is the support, up towards sort of 2580. So like 200 odd ticks, 240 ticks. It was broken down, and you could argue you could project that downwards, 2345. So as I said, 240 ticks. That gives you 1.2100 as your initial target. So you're sort of 150 ticks away from that now. But you look at the momentum indicators. RSI now confirming that breakdown. MACD line is now going negative. Stochastics falling into bearish, strongly bearish configuration. So it all looks really as though we're going to be testing supports. 2250 is that initial sort of reaction low. Minor reaction though from sort of mid-Jan, but ultimately the traction I think will be gained if you sort of break below that, and you're then looking at 20 big figure, I suppose, 1980 being the big key low. But to be honest, I think it is now selling into strength. You've got this run of bear candles going on, 4 completed strong bear candles. Looks like it's sort of turning into a 5th bear candle in a row. You'd say any sort of rally is a chance to sell here. See the hourly chart where you've got the 2345 old supports becomes new resistance, and then up to 2380 again. So you've got a band of overhead supply between 2345 2380 that is ideal sell zone, I'd say, near term. If you see this sort of hourly chart unwinding, 55 to 60 seems to be where we've sort of unwound to in recent days. But look at the MACD lines, negatively configured, failing underneath neutral. Stochastics failing at 50. So any sort of unwind, I think, on this is a chance to sell. You may get 2345. You've got very minor initial resistance at 2327, but to be honest, 2345, which at the moment is sort of 80 ticks away from where we are now. So already the market is just tracking lower, continuing to move downside. I think, yeah, and it looks pretty bad for this sort of continuation of this correction within this medium-term trading range. But a move towards the lows of the trading band seems to be what we're now going to be seeing. Not only that, let me just show you something else, which is the Bollinger Bands. I don't often use Bollinger Band analysis, but here we see the Bollinger Bands where the bands became quite tight in the consolidation and then closed below the consolidation, so closed outside the bottom of the band, and seems to be now that is a directional move which should subsequently drive the market lower. Look also at the on-balance volume, new lows. So it's all pretty negative on the Bollinger Bands there. So I wish you good luck in your trading today on cable, sending it to strength, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.